I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade healthy. First, let's focus on the foundation. To create a healthier version of this classic drink, prioritize fresh, high-quality ingredients. Using freshly squeezed lemon juice is key for both flavor and essential vitamins. We'll explore how to significantly cut down on added sugars while still achieving that perfectly balanced sweet and tart taste you love. Get ready to transform your favorite summer beverage into a guilt-free treat. The biggest change for healthy lemonade comes from your sweetener choice. Instead of traditional refined sugar, opt for natural alternatives. Stevia or erythritol are excellent zero-calorie options that provide sweetness without the sugar spike. If you prefer a touch of natural sugar, a small amount of pure maple syrup or raw honey can be used, but remember to use them sparingly. The goal is to enjoy the lemon's natural tang, not mask it. Beyond just lemons, you can elevate your lemonade's flavor and nutritional profile with simple additions. Infuse your drink with fresh herbs like mint or basil, or add slices of ginger or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Berries, such as strawberries or raspberries, and sliced oranges not only add natural sweetness, but also a boost of antioxidants. For a fun, fizzy version, simply swap out still water for sparkling water. These small changes make a big difference. Now you're ready to enjoy your delicious and healthy homemade lemonade. Serve it well chilled over ice, perhaps with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint for an appealing presentation. Consider making a larger batch to keep in the refrigerator, ensuring you have a refreshing, healthy drink readily available throughout your week. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Cheers to your health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.